Welcome to the NTA Net JRF lecture on teaching aptitude, presented by Dr. Anjani Kumar. This video focuses on Unit 1, Teaching Aptitude. Effective lectures remain a common teaching method. Their primary purposes are to convey information, stimulate motivation and interest, and generate understanding. Well-planned traditional lectures can be as effective as other methods for conveying information. To maximize lecture effectiveness, remember that students construct knowledge and may have prior misconceptions. Teachers should address these and encourage students to explain concepts in their own words. Also, students like to see the whole picture, requiring context and relationship building between topics. Students can be easily overburdened by too much content too quickly. Reducing material and providing supplementary resources helps. Tutorials, in contrast to lectures, are good for changing conceptions and developing problem-solving skills, often taking place in smaller groups. Tutorials aim to encourage critical thinking, enhance understanding, detect misconceptions, and develop skills like problem-solving and discussion. Achieving these goals requires active student participation. The focus varies. For instance, sciences often use problem-solving while arts use group discussion. Classroom management is governing the classroom through procedures, rules, and policies. It is key to successful teaching, as a student must feel safe and encouraged to learn. Effective management creates a nurturing, predictable, and engaging environment, which is critical for active learning. Well-managed classrooms are characterized by deeply involved students, clear expectations leading to success, minimal wasted time or disruption, and a work-oriented yet pleasant climate. Good management prevents behavior issues and encourages independent learning and problem-solving. Managing disruption is necessary, even if most students are engaged. Common disruptions include loud conversations and irrelevant remarks. Teachers should respond quickly and decisively to disruptive behavior to set clear ground rules and reassure the majority. Exclusion might be an option, but warn the student first. Dealing with difficult students who intellectually or psychologically intimidate others is challenging. These students may dominate discussions. Techniques like breaking students into smaller groups before reporting back to the class can mitigate this behavior. Discussing behavior privately with a difficult student, emphasizing their value, and establishing clear ground rules for discussion can help. Individual consultations are invaluable for detecting misconceptions and providing direct feedback, though they can be time-consuming. Team teaching involves multiple staff teaching collaboratively on one subject, whether through shared lectures or dividing roles between lectures and tutorials. It is vital for all involved staff to have a common understanding of the aims, content, methods, and administrative details of the subject. Evaluating teaching is a formative activity aimed at improving teaching and student learning quality. Evaluation should combine input from the teacher, colleagues, and students. Self-evaluation can be done via journaling or video recording classes. Peer evaluation also offers valuable criticism. Thank you for watching this video on teaching aptitude.